come. Let's go into something very simple first. This is actually the first question inside your worksheet. Right, which, can I say again? All the ladies who attempted the question got it. All right, the answer is 18. My goodness. All right, everyone who attempted the worksheet got the answer 18. All right, but I still want to go through. Simple reason is because there are some students who never attempt the worksheet yet. Don't worry, don't worry. All right, if you attempt, good. If you never, next time, please attempt before coming for lesson. That will be very, very good. Is that okay? All right, so children, can I have your focus now? Let me just go through this quickly. Then after that, we will have another question, right, similar to this. Is that okay? Let's go. So for this type of question, right, they say that it's a pattern kind of pattern. It's a pattern kind of question. All right. So for pattern kind of question, right, you must always look for the start and stop, start and stop, start, 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 stop, 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 start and stop. All right, 12 is the start. And can you see? 12, 19, 19, 20, 18. 12, 19, 19, 20, 18. Oh, can you see not? All right, so you have to know where the start and stop, start and stop, start, 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 stop, stop, stop. All right. So once you determine, right, once you determine where the start and the stop is, right, you can actually group this, you can actually group this in what? We call this like one set, a set of 5, or a group of 5. This is a group of 5. A group of 5 numbers. All right, a group of 5 numbers. Okay, so every start and stop. okay, stop it. All right, consists of 5 numbers in the group. Okay, consists of 5 numbers in the group. Here comes the question: what is the 85th number in the pattern? Can you see not? Hey, 85th. There's a 5 behind. All right, so it can be actually divided into groups of 5. Do you know that? So 85 divided by 5. Do you still remember how to divide or not? All right, imagine you cannot use your calculator. 85 divided by 5. Do you still remember this? I hope so. 5 times 1 is 5. 8 minus 5 is a 3. Bring down the 5. 5 times 7 is a 35. Teacher, what is this 17? This 17 means there are 17 groups of this set. There's 17 groups of this set. This set of what? 5 numbers. Can you see that? There's exactly 17 groups of 5 numbers. Can you see that? All right. So, sure. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know whether the answer is it 12 of 18. You know, I don't know. Don't worry, children. Don't worry. All right. This is something that is taught to me by my dad, actually. All right. So last time, I'm also not very good in math, just so that you know. So my dad also tried to teach me a little bit here and there. So he said that instead of trying to use a big number like 85, right? Instead of trying to use a big number like 85, why don't we use like maybe 25? Cannot. 25 can divide by 5, right? Or maybe let's use 15. Right? 15 can divide by 5, what? Which is like 3 groups, what? Can you see not? 3 groups. You understand? All right. So you choose a number that can be divisible by 5 also. All right. For example, 15 can divide by 5 is 3 groups. 3 groups of these 5 numbers. So if that's the case, can you see not? This is like the first group, what? This is like the second group. And I purposely put in again 12, 19, 19, 20, 18, right? Isn't this like the third group? Isn't this like the third group? Isn't that what they want? 3 groups. All right. So who is the 15 number? You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So this is the 15 number, right? So by pattern, by pattern, all right, the 85th number is something like this question, right? Is something the same, right? The 85th number is the number 18 also lah. All right, so children, you need to understand one thing. Mathematics, right, is all about pattern here. All right, it's like the same thing. The working is all the same. When you do division, it's all the same way of doing. When you do multiplication, it's the same way of multiplying and all this. All right, so children, you have to be a little bit flexible. All right. So sometimes if you don't know, trust me, you can actually use a smaller number. All right. Once you get the smaller number correct, you understand it. Okay, you apply to the big number. It's the same. It's the same. All right. Hey, hello, Aiden. Oh yes, we have a boy. It's 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 a boy. Sorry, sorry. So funny. Okay. Yes, Aiden. Welcome for lesson. All right. So Aiden, you have anything to say? You want to raise your hand or what? Okay, you can just go to the chat and yeah. Oh, you say hi, chat. Oh, hello, Aiden. Yep. Okay. We have another student. Vince. Is it Vince? Is that you? Oh, sorry, sorry, not Aiden. Carious, Carious. Sorry, I've forgotten your name. Right, but I saw the name Aiden now there. I got excited. Carious, yeah. Why not start from 19? Um, why not start from 19? So the pattern, okay, so can you see now down here, right? The very first number given by the question, the very first number given by the question is the 12. Right, the very first number given by the question is 12. All right, Joanne. Okay, so the question is not I say one lah. I mean the question is given by the teacher, right? All right. So if you say that the first number is a 19, so then the question should have given you something like that. 19, 19, 20, 18, 12. Then 19, 19, 20, 18, 12. Can you see not? Joanne? Like that. All right, but that's not part of the question, Joanne. Right? According to the question, the first number that's given is a 12. All right, so I cannot change the question. All right, I hope that I answer your question. All right, so this number 12, right, the starting, right, is given by the question. I got no choice. All right, I got no choice but to call it my first number. All right, it's not why I want to start with 19 or 12 or what. It's I got no choice. All right, it's by the question. Huh? Jordan, is that what you're asking for? You understand? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. You understand now? Good. 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 And Joanne, thank you. Thank you for asking question. All right. Thank you for going to the chat to ask question. All right. Because through asking question, right, not only do you learn, your other classmates also learn. All right. So that's quite important. Just to let you know. Can? All right. So again, children, okay, look at the question, answer according to what the question is saying, and you'll be safe. Is that okay? Okay, and children, this question is done. This is the first question from your worksheet. All right. Thanks to those who done the worksheet. Okay. Okay, come. So another question coming up. Another question coming up, All right, something to do with this question, but a little bit different. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. Go and try this question and go to the chat and give me the answer. Yes, come try, Let's go. This one. All right, it's an extra question. Please try. No calculator. Curious, why? Why is that? Why is Pili? What is Pili? What's that? Hey, just give me an alphabet. Oh my goodness. Also we have Lily in the class. Is there Lily in the class? Lily Chen? Lily. Right. Is that Jing Fang? Jing Fang, is that you? Ji Fang, is it? Sorry, I pronounced your name wrongly. Is it Ji Fang? Right, we have a Lily Chen in class. Right, is that Ji Fang? Right, because sometimes your name, right? Sometimes your name is a little bit different when you log in through different Google account. Right, so some of you might be using your dad's or your mom's name. Right, so I'm trying to know who is who. Right, Vince also. Vince, are you there? Yeah, so I don't know who is Vince also. Right, because if you don't let me know who you are, then I cannot mark attendance. Right, then this lesson you'll be counted as absent. All right, so Vince, if you're there, all right, if you're using the name Vince, can you please let me know your name? All right, your name, yeah. All right, and also there's one Lily Chen. Are you Ji Fang? All right, so go to the chat and please answer my question. All right, hello? All right, go to the chat and answer me. Okay, so Lavenia, I saw your answer. All right, Curious, what's yeah? What's that, man? Yeah, it's not part of the answer. Li Wen, don't say that. You have brains, all right? You are thinking girl. All right, anyone? Right. Ooh, Zhi-En, you say his answer is D. Okay. All right, so children, ultimately, you can see that some students are actually trying, and some are not. All right, so again, oh yes, Kira, answer is in E. All right, so children, it's okay. It's okay to make mistake. You must know that. All right. Oh, Chloe say, wait. All right. So it's okay to make mistake. Please remember that in class. Right, in class, you're supposed to make mistake and you're supposed to ask question. Okay, but during the exam, if this question comes out, all right, you have to know how to react already. I choose E. E for elephant. All right. Okay, that's what Lee will say. Okay, at least you guys are trying. All right, at least you guys are giving some answer. That's good. That's good. That's the first step. That is the first step in mathematics. Give some answer. All right, Chloe says either G or E. Thank you. That's good. All right, even though it's wrong, it's also good. It's wrong. Yeah, actually, it's wrong. Okay. All right, come. Let me go through. Are you ready? Hey, children. All right, stop with the chatting. Unless you are Vince or Lily Chen. All right, please stop with the chatting. Unless you are Vince or Lily Chen. All right, oh yeah, Vince, you replied. Thank you. Hey, Vince, may I know your name, please? I don't have a Vince in my attendance list. Can you please tell me your name, please? Don't play secretly. All right, Vincy. Wen-Xing. Oh my goodness, Wen-Xing, you're here. Oh my goodness, Wen-Xing. Remember Zhi-En? Oh, last time we had some good time together. Oh my goodness, Wen-Xing is back. All right, so very happy to see you. All right, Wen-Xing. All right, so there's another student, Hey, who is that? Wen-Xing is one of my earlier student. I taught her a few years ago. All right, then I'm glad that she's back. All right, there's another student down here, the Chen Lili. All right, so please let me know who you are, Chen Lili. All right, what's your name? Oh, yes, Jing Fang, right? All right, or maybe I pronounced your name wrongly. I'm so sorry. Ji Fang, right? All right, thank you for replying. Thank you so much. Okay, so children, now I know who is who already. Okay, later I'll be marking attendance. Thank you so much. Okay, children, let's take a look at this question. Let's take a look. So again, right, what did I say? We are talking about patterns here. Patterns. What do I do? What do I do? Start and stop. I need to find where is the start and stop. Right? All right. So once again, can you see? According to the question, right, Jordan, all right, according to the question, right, they say the first letter, right, is a D. So this is the first. So that's the start, no choice. So where's the stop? D, D, E, E, G, D, D, E, E. Oh, can you see now? Down here, you repeat it again. So D, D, E, E, G, this is the stop. Can you see? That means the first D down here is the start. So D, D, E, E, G. Is that okay? So again, children, what do you see?